Hi, good morning. My name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, and I'm going to take you through our Bennington 2019 QSB. This Bennington is driftwood with the carbon accent interior. It has the electric folding tower with tower speakers. Moving over to the helm, it's equipped with a Simrad fish finder and GPS, kicker stereo. It's Mercury controls. This will be equipped with a Mercury 350 Verado engine. Moving back to here, the swingback can be put into either position for optimal lounging. Also, there are speakers in the back, and this boat also is equipped with a 52-inch ski tow bar. Thank you for looking at our Bennington 2019 QSB. Check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com and call us at 864-236-9005 if you'd like any more information on this boat.